there was a goat and himself a little fish, and around there was a big bag. Before going to the market, the father goes,
Children, I'm going to the market to buy bread and cookies for you. I will be back by evening. Don't open the door for the bad wolf.
but Dad, I would be no with you.
The wolf can be recognized. He's a little bit horse boy and black feet. Open the door only for me and no one else.
Don't worry, Dad, we will take care of things. The father goes went to the market. The kids make sure with the locks on the door. They play around the house. Suddenly, there was a knock on the door.
Hello, children. Open the door. Your father is back.
Hearing the voice, the youngest girl shouted through the door.
Daddy, Daddy is back.
No, it isn't our daddy. He hasn't got a round voice. Go away, big black wolf. Our daddy doesn't have a harsh voice. Hearing this, the wolf ran to get the box of chalk because he believed that chalk would make his voice as sharp as a baby. Look. Knocking on the door, a lady said,
Hello, kids. Your father is back. Look what I have brought for you. Cookies, bread, and sandwiches. Oh, that sounds like our father. Should we open the door now?
This is surely the wolf. Go away, the big bad wolf. Our father has our beautiful white feet.
Hearing this, the wolf ran to jump into the flower. He was all white from head to toes. Getting back to the house, he knocked again. He said,
Kids, your father is back. Open the door.
That sounds like our father. We should open the door now.
All the kids ran to the door and opened it. The bad wolf laughed and brushed off his mouth.
The wolf laughed. Ha ha ha. Hello, kids. Are you ready to become dinner tonight?
Yes, yes. The kids ready and there to save their lives. One went behind the door, the other under the table and under the chair. He ate it on the roast one by one except for the youngest one. With his tummy full, he left the home when the father returned. He was shocked to see the door open.
Children, where are you?
At that moment, the youngest one came out of the chair and hugged his father.
Oh, father, the big brown wolf rescued us by sounding and looking like you. He ate up all my brothers and sisters. What will we do now? Don't worry, let's go and watch for him.
They went out searching for the wolf. The father goat hardly went near the wolf. The father goat used the scissors to cut his tummy and took out all his kids. The father goat was happy and hugged his children.
All these are thanks for